Alright guys, 2017 Lexus Rx350. I'll show you guys how to replace the cabin filter. So this is your glove box. Open that up. Right over here. Just disconnect it like that with your finger. Hand here, one hand here, and kind of push it like this. Crunch it. So lift it up like that and then push it down. It will come down. Alright, so be careful with all the stuff that's in here. I've decided to remove the whole thing. Just basically it sits right here. Alright. This sits right here. Alright. Those. And so there's a cover here that you need to remove, so you push that up, it'll come out, and then there you have it. This is the cabin filter cover. So what you want to do is pinch this like that, and then there you have it. So it's facing up. There you have it, guys. So this is the cabin filter. I'm gonna replace that. Alright guys, so this is the new one. This is the carrier for the cabin filter, or the basket for it. Now you want to follow that direction, so the airflow should be going up. So see this notch here. To put this in, you want to go from underneath it. Right, just like that, and then make your way. Make your way in. That's like that. All right, and then just put it back in. Put it back into place, just like that. And then the cover, so you wanna slide this in there and then press this like that. That's done. And remember this one, so there's a tab, 3 tabs on top that sits where it is, and then just clip in like that. All right, so now I gotta put this thing back, glove box. So just like that, and then press it like that. Give it a good tap, push it in, and then the last step is to put this back in, just like so, and then close it, and then test it out. Test the operation. If it's normal, operation's normal. So that's it. That's how it's done, guys. If this video helps you out in any way, don't forget to smash the thumbs up and comment, subscribe, ring the bell. Thank you, guys.